All right, you guys, so for this tutorial, we are going to do kind of like a braided warrior look, a little bit edged up with some spray glitter. I like that it has the volume because that's gonna make the braid a lot thicker, but I still just wanna go through it a little bit with my 1 1/4 inch iron, just grabbing random sections just to bump up the texture a little bit. Just create random bends. If you only have a flat iron standing by, do the up and down motion to get some bends in there. You just want a little bit of texture. When you are satisfied with the kind of texture that you want, then you can start building your braid. There's something sexy about this being fuzzy, a little bit bigger in the back. So I'm just spraying some thick spray. Leave out the very front piece of either side. I will start in the back and just kind of give it a French braid, but more so relaxed. Just your basic 3-strand. I'm actually going under, so it's gonna be a Dutch braid, not a French. And just grab some pieces as you go and make it tight at first. Once I get to the end, I like to leave a little bit out and then just add a clear hair elastic. I don't like to make it too tight. Zhuzh that out. Just kind of pull it apart. I think it's easier if you butterfly out the ends instead of pulling from the center because that's gonna mess up the full braid. If a piece comes out that you think might be too much, leave it. I think it looks cool. I like to use a little bit of volumizing powder in a spray form. A prime place to do this is in the money spot, which is the bangs. Take a rat tail comb and literally just pull out the very edges of some strands just to make it super relaxed. It looks like you spent at least an hour on that, but it's so cool and so easy to do. Spray some glitter and try and just concentrate it in the braid. It's nice to have that pop right around the face. Why don't you try it out with one of your friends, do each other's hair, and let us know what you think about it because it's honestly one of my favorite looks and it's so easy and it will take you all the way through summer, even into fall.